Happy Freebie Friday, my friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job, and I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link your shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you'd like. This Freebie Friday, number 3. We came back. This is the 3rd time in a row. We are coming back to do our Rich Auntie Savings Challenge. These are all freebies you can find in Auntie Foxie's Ko-Fi. I will link her channel down below so you can check it out. We have some ones this time. Aren't you proud of me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 is what I have this week. I'm impressed with the fact that I was able to come up with something. I have a lot going on this week, and I thought to myself, so it's okay if you don't go stuff your envelopes for this savings challenge. And then I thought, no, just get something together. Try to do it. If you can't, that's okay, but if you can, let's just do this. So 14 bucks, we've got it today. And last week, you guys, we completed 2 savings challenges. Last week we completed 2, and I was not putting any pressure on myself to complete any of these savings challenges. I'm just doing the best I can to save. Since I just decided I would try to save something, that's what I'm trying to do. I have my dice again. We have 4 savings challenges remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, 2 of them we've already completed. Fantastic savings already taking place. So I think what we'll do is, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6 already has plenty in it and it's almost completed. This one needs more love. How about we're going to switch it. Making a judgment call. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm saying it over and over so that way I don't mess it up too bad. I have a tendency to make a plan and not follow through. I'm sure you have seen it on my channel before. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just going to put 2 bills to each savings challenge. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2. All right, Rich Auntie, you finally got some love over there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 6. And we're out of money. All of my savings challenges got funds this time. Phenomenal. I like to see it. Sometimes it doesn't happen. But we are adding $2 more to this one. Oh, I don't want to write on there. I want to write on my savings challenge. Each one of my symbols I decided would be $2. I was actually thinking about making this one $5. I did joke about it last week, and then I really thought about it, and I said, oh man, not this time. But we'll go ahead and leave her $2, and hopefully by next week we can get a few more of these completed. We're adding $4 to this savings challenge today. 2, 4. So we're making great progress. We're pretty close on finishing them. And this one has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. In this savings challenge, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 going in. 2, 4, 6. Giving us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I believe I have a $10 bill. Let me just swap it out because when I'm ready for these ones again will have access to them. Yay, and I don't think I have any more 5s or 10s over there. I saw a 20, but that's not going to help us. Because all of my savings challenges should save me $16 each. Finally, my my rich auntie in her white dress, glamorous, is getting $2. Yay! Welcome to the money gala, girl. She was refusing to get money the first 2 weeks we did this savings challenge. No money. But today, yeah, we're on it. So we just need a little bit more cash. I think I might count it up to see how much it is I need. If I can grab it, then I will. Because these two are actually pretty close. These 3 are pretty close actually. So we'll see. I'm really excited about the saving that's taking place, but I don't want to put all kinds of pressure all over myself. I just want to make sure I'm doing the best I can with what I have. And then I go from there, you know. All right. So we're just going to put these back in here. And next Friday, you guys, we're going to do a final count and see how much we actually saved. You can calculate how much I should save based on the plan, the setup. But I'm going to go ahead and see exactly what I save. If I'm able to complete them all, that's wonderful. I will be so proud of myself. Because it'll totally be worth it. I still haven't quite decided what I'm going to use these funds for. I mentioned for sure like my matcha. I had an idea for, but now that's already shifted and changed a little bit at this point. So I guess we'll see how everything goes. We have one more week for the Matcha Wednesday. On Wednesday, I do the Matcha Madness. And on Fridays, I'm doing the Freebie Friday Rich Aunties Savings Challenge. So it's been a lot of fun to have a little bit of consistency and saving a little bit. Would I have liked to save a lot more money? Of course I would have, you guys. It would have been amazing. But I'm grateful for every little bit that is able to be saved. And it's also very inspiring and motivating for myself to see the progress being made. We'll see how everything goes. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.